Worried that being camera shy will stop you from starting affiliate marketing? It won't. One way to start affiliate marketing without appearing on camera is to let your graphics or screen recordings do the talking. You can create simple graphics or pins like this one in Canva, link them to your opt-in page, and start capturing leads, all without showing your face. The tricky part though, you still need a system to follow up, pre-sell offers, and keep your subscribers engaged. Without that, your leads can go cold fast. That's where the AI Faceless List Builder comes in. You get faceless funnel and campaign templates, plus pre-written email sequences, so you can build your affiliate business without ever turning on a camera. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description so you can take a closer look. On top of the core system, you will also get the Faceless Campaign Creator Bot and 30 days of plug and play emails, all backed by a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So if you're ready to launch your faceless affiliate business and stop worrying about being on camera, grab the AI Faceless List Builder today for less than $30. The link is waiting for you in the description.